factorization. So what are the new variations from number 11? Okay, so it says that again you factorize completely. Now from 13e, all the sums talks about factorizing completely. So for example, let us take 3x square plus 15x minus 72, and they say that you factorize completely. Okay, fine. So how should you factorize completely? First we are going to extract the common, and the HCF is 3, so I'll get x square plus 5x minus 24. Now since we had already learned the factorization by splitting the middle term, so how it can be done? We'll forget this 3. Now we have these 3 terms. So here we have 1, here we have 24. So this 24 can further be broken such that in the middle you should get 5x on adding those terms, isn't it? So let us see. 8 3s are 24. So 8 3s are 24 plus 8 and minus 3 will give you plus 5x or plus 5. Not only that, on multiplying 8 into minus 3, you will get here minus 24. From where you got minus 24? You got minus 24 on multiplying 1 and minus 24. 1 and minus 24 means the first term and the last term. Okay. So here we go 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 24. This 3 will keep on dragging this 3. Okay, because 3 is already in multiple form. Now x plus from these two, x plus 8, similarly from these two minus 3 x plus 8. So what we find that on taking out x plus 8 as common, we'll get x minus 3 as the other factor. Okay, now again let's move on to number 13, where we have the same kind of sums, that is you factorize completely. They have given you just splitting the middle term, and you have already done so. Though there are some bigger numbers, like when you talk about this 5b square, number 13 talks about 5b square plus 45b plus 90. Okay, so in this what we find that 5 and 90 should be multiplied. 5 and 90 should be multiplied. Okay, it should be broken also and should be adjusted such that you get 45 over here. Okay, so let us see how we can break it further, and how are we going to break it further. Let me see. Okay, so 5 times 9 can be broken as 3 3s are 9, and 10 can be broken as 5 2 times 10. What do you need actually? We need 45. So when we need 45, let us see how are we going to get. 5 3s are 15, and 5 3s are 15 2 times 30. So here you have 15 and here you have 30. 15 and 30 will give you 45. So these are bigger numbers, and you need to practice such that you quickly solve the sums, isn't it? So 5b square plus 15b plus 30b plus 90. So my dear, have a look. From this two, if I take 5b as common, I'll get b plus 3. Similarly, if I take 30 as common, I'll get b plus 3. Therefore, b plus 3 and 5b plus 30 are your factors. But still they are talking about factorize completely. So I find that here from 5b plus 30 further 5 can be taken out. So why are we going to leave this? So when taking 5 as common over here, I'll get b plus 6. So b plus 3, b plus 6 multiplied by 5 is our final solution. Clear? Now, the other are also of the same variety. Okay, but there are some variations in number 16, and in 16 what we find that they have given us sums related to a square minus b square in a different style. That is number 16, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square. So my dear, see, a square plus 2ab plus b square is your already a plus b whole square, and this is your c whole square. So now you find that the entire sum over here comes under the formula a square minus b square. Therefore it can be written as a plus b plus c and a plus b minus c. So this was the easiest sum which had been given you, so that your level of understanding for the other sums becomes easier, isn't it? Okay, this was just the trailer. Let us concentrate on 17, which says x square plus 6xy plus 9y square plus x plus 3y. Great. So what I find that this value from here to here, okay, will fit in the formula x plus 3y whole square, because have a look. This will be your you can say, instead of writing it directly, why not to see whether it fits in the formula or not. So here x square plus 9y square will become 3y whole square, and over here it should be 2 times x into 3y. So 2 times x into 3y is equal to your 6xy. Since both of them are same, therefore this can be written as your x plus 3y whole square. So first you need to check it. Now plus x plus 3y is already given over here. So from both of them, if I take x plus 3y as common, what are we going to get? 1x plus 3y will remain. 1x plus 3y will remain. Since I have already taken x plus 3y from here, so 1 will remain. 1 will remain over here, and this is what is our solution. So what did you find? Didn't you find that all the sums are quite interesting? Why they are interesting? Because each one of them follows the other with a special type of formula. Number 18, 4a square minus 12ab plus 9b square plus 4a minus 6b. So naturally, first you will see that does this 3 terms fits in the formula a plus b whole square, or is this a whole square or not? For that you need to check it. How? In this way, 2a whole square plus 3b whole square, and in the middle it should be minus, since minus is over here, 2 times 2a into 3b. So I find that 3 2s are 6 2s are 12ab, that is minus 12ab is equal to minus 12ab. This means the whole can be written as 2a minus 3b whole square. this will come in the formula a minus b whole square plus 4a and minus 6b was already there. So from here if I take 2 common, I'll get 2a minus 3b. This means once again when we take 2a minus 3b as common, we are going to get 2a minus 3b from here plus 2 as our final solution, isn't it? Why not to do one, that is the last one, so that we feel happy about completing this particular exercise. Okay, 20. So 20 says the same thing, a square minus 16b square minus 2a minus 8b. Okay, let us see. Now here what I find, that again there is a variation. Okay, variation is always there. Okay, if this variation wouldn't exist, naturally you wouldn't like solving the sums. Okay, now when you look at these two and these two, what you find? Is there some difference? Let us see. A square minus 16b square can be written as a square minus 4b whole square. This means you have the liberty to break this into factors. Here if you take 2 as common, you will get a minus 4b. Now this a square minus 4b square can be broken as a minus 4b times a plus 4b. A plus 4b. Well, while over here this minus 2 a minus 4b already exists. Therefore, on taking this a minus 4b and a minus 4b as common, what are we going to get? I'll get a plus 4b over here, and this minus 2 would remain, giving us the complete factor. So this is how 1 minute, I have made a mistake. Since minus is over here, my dear, I had not changed the sign over there. Okay, however this was a slight manual mistake. So I am going to take a plus 4b as common over here. So here you will get a minus 4b minus 2. Clear? I hope I have cleared your doubts up till here. Okay, thank you.